In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate your WhatsApp backup in Google Drive. Whether you've just switched to a new phone or you're simply looking to manage your storage, knowing where your WhatsApp backup resides can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, we'll start by accessing Google Drive through your computer's web browser. You'll want to use the same Google account that's linked with your WhatsApp. To do this, simply open your browser and type in drive.google.com. This will take you to the Google Drive homepage. Now, if you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Go ahead and sign in with the account you're using for WhatsApp. Once you're on the Google Drive interface, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you might see a label for storage or sometimes backups, depending on your user interface. Click on that label. Don't worry if you can't find it right away. User interfaces can vary slightly, but it should be there. Once you've clicked on it, you'll want to choose the option for backups. Now, you'll be directed to a page showing a list of backups that are saved to your Google Drive. What we're looking for here is an entry labeled something like WhatsApp. Backup followed by your phone number. It should also display the date and time of the last backup. This is a crucial part of managing your data as it helps you keep track of the most recent version of your information. It's worth noting that while you can view these details, the actual contents of the backup, like messages and media, remain encrypted and unreadable directly from Google Drive, so you won't be able to open them here. Once you find the WhatsApp backup, you have a couple of manageable options at your disposal. If you click, or in some cases right-click, on the backup entry, a menu will appear with various options. You'll typically see Delete Backup and Turn off Future Backups. These options give you control over how you manage your backup storage. If, for instance, you're attempting to free up space on your Google Drive, you might consider deleting older or unnecessary backups. Alternatively, if you wish to stop backups from occurring in the future, you can simply turn them off. And there you have it. With these steps, you should now be able to locate and manage your WhatsApp backups in Google Drive effectively. Whether you're maintaining your storage or preparing for that next device upgrade, understanding this process makes managing your personal data a seamless experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips.